I am from techboylabs.com. Here I'm going to do a review of LastPass. LastPass is a password management system which manages your passwords. As I am going to show you this cool password management system, which is a good option for if you don't want to pay for anything. So let's begin. So first, LastPass supports. How it works is it goes into your web browser and you save passwords to their system, and when you go back to the website and log in and stuff, it will put the information in automatically. So I'm going to show that to you. So the web browser's support is Google Chrome, Opera, Safari, Firefox, and Internet Explorer. I believe those are all the web browsers which it supports. So yeah, let's go into Google Chrome. For this example, I'm using this because it's fast and speedy and stuff. So right now I'm logged into LastPass, which you can tell from this little icon logo thing, which if it's growing red, it means it's logged in. So let me sign out for you to show you what it looks like when you log in. So once you first install it, for example, in Chrome, you click on this little area for the extensions. You click it, put your email. My email's there. Now I put in my password. We enter it again, as I failed before. Enter. Now it's login. As that's fast. So let me show you a sample of signing into Google. Sign in. And here's the example of having multiple accounts. Because I use Google. Because Google is attached to YouTube. So if you sign into your Google account, you sign in your YouTube account if you have one hookup. So that's one useful tip I will tell you. So for example, if you have multiple logins, you save stuff, you click auto login in whichever username you have. For example, I'm going to use techboylabs. Then I can go to YouTube and sign in. That's what I do for Google and YouTube stuff. Plus, for example, here's how you. And I also use it on my website. For example, techboylabs.com. As I'm going there, and it has a login area, and I can click login, and that's what you do if you only have one login. So now you can click on the icon in the web browser for LastPass, and you click my LastPass vault, and then you can go into show all your stuff. So here's all of my sites I do. So you see, I'm a hardcore LastPass user, or a user which uses it a lot because I love LastPass. So I can close out that by using Control W, or by not closing that. Sorry for me closing that, but okay. So other features about LastPass, when you sign up for example, when you sign out of this, sign in, then click create account, then also sometimes when you create account and for about the same website, it's going to put your current email address and then the password you use. But for example, here's a really cool feature which LastPass does. It asks you if you want to generate a password, which is not doing right now. But you can go into LastPass, and I believe it's going to be tools, and it should be something like password generator thing. It's in there somewhere, and then you can generate passwords. And here's the stuff I like about LastPass. One, it keeps your passwords and usernames and all sorts of stuff really good and handy for when you're having multiple logins, if you do, or for example, or whatever login, and you can sign in, and it just gives you all your information, so you don't have to type it, go like beep 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 beep, like going like that, and then putting your password into into the login area, and it's a really useful thing too. Plus, as I said before, multiple logins, like for example, give LastPass some time. It has lets you use multiple accounts for the website, so that's really useful because I have more than one YouTube account. I have my one I use to subscribe to everyone, which I don't use to make videos for, but techboylabs is the YouTube account I'm using to post this video right now as you're watching it right now, and Minecraft Gamer, which is my gaming channel, which mostly has Minecraft and plenty has some other stuff. So really useful. This is really useful. Here's the stuff I don't like. For certain sites, when you do create a new account or something like that, it puts in the so for example, if I create an account, it put in the your last login for your current website you're using, which I really don't like, because if you're making a new account for the website, which you have a account or username and password save, it is going to put it there, and then you have to erase it. And if you get it wrong for something like the variation code, it puts it back. Then you have to put the information back and here, and that's one thing I hate about it. The other thing, nothing else. It's a pretty solid password management system. I will recommend to anyone who wants to manage their passwords. So yeah. So if you like this video, like it, and for more videos like this, just click the subscribe button above, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.